Hey guys, Kyle here at Dark Iron Diesel. Just want to make a quick video going over code P00EB. This one came up on a 2013 LML Duramax, and there wasn't really much online to go off of, so I figure I'd make a quick video on what I found. The code is intake air temperature sensor 3 high voltage, I believe, and like I said, I couldn't find anything, so I'm just going to show you. I found what sensor it was, and I've diagnosed the problem, and it turned out mine needed new sensors. So I'll just quickly go over what I did. So this apparently is your intake air temperature sensor 3. And this guy is located at the back, right at your turbo here on the driver's side. So this is the sensor right there. Most of the stuff I found online was telling me to go after this intake air temperature sensor. But I found that didn't work. That sensor was good. And I found that the one back there was the problem. This is the harness going to the truck. So right now I have my multimeter set on volts. And if you look at the multimeter right there, nice 5 volts, which is what you want. And another thing you can check is you can go to ohms, your resistance, and do it again. And what do we got? 0 ohms resistance. Keep in mind, you need to have the key on to do these tests. So I did that, and I knew my wiring was good. And then what I did, this is the new sensor, so it's good. But I checked my resistance in here, and see a good sensor. If I can make it connect. One sec. What are we getting? We're getting 1.88 kilo ohms. Whereas this other one, see if I hold these on here, just says OL, overload. So something is wrong either in the wiring or in the sensor internally here. So your readings for your resistance on your sensors might vary here and there. The big part is make sure you are getting some resistance and it's not just an OL and an overload circuit. Which is what I had in that sensor. It was like I wasn't even holding the leads on the connectors. Like it was a broken circuit. But make sure that before you go buy a sensor, just unplug your sensor and check the wiring harness to your truck. Make sure that there's 0 resistance with the key on, and make sure that you're getting your 5 volts to the sensor. But yeah, anyways, if you guys found this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you got any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments or shoot me a message on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel, because sometimes I don't quite go over everything that I should. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching.